December 31st, please. SVOLT Energy releases data that in 2020 for sure blade batteries were delivered over 270,000 sets for the year. Among them, the heat load short NEF exceeds 230,000 sets, accounting for more than 85%. In December, the thermal composite short blade battery shipments exceeded 50,000 sets. In the fourth quarter, new energy vehicle sales continued to rise. The installed capacity of the Hive Energy also followed. The fourth quarter vehicle orders reached 220,000 units, compared with the third quarter of 120,000 units of 83% year growth. According to the statistics of China Automotive Power Battery Industry Innovation Alliance, the installed capacity of domestic power battery in October and November ranked 5th in the global market. From January to November, its overseas customers shipped 116,097 vehicles totaling 5.8 gigawatt-hours, with overseas shipments accounting for 26.77%.